chill morning and made some breakfast and then pretty much got ready to go, and we are doing some errands. What errands are we doing?
We need to run over to Cow Ranch, which is pretty much, it's like a really cool outdoor and supply store. I mean, it pretty much just kind of sounds like what it is. And I think you want to go to Hobby Lobby, which, what is it? I mean, I've never been there before, but What is Hobby Lobby?
Hobby Lobby.
I think it also kind of just sounds like
yeah.
what it is.
Hobby Lobby has just like, honestly, I don't know, the name kind of like, it's a craft store, but they also have just like a bunch of like random home decor, and I'm possibly wondering if we can find stuff for Thanksgiving because
crossing the train tracks.
Possibly wondering if we can find stuff for Thanksgiving because we are hosting, or just early Christmas stuff. And yeah, like Thomas said, he hasn't gone, so we're just gonna go and check it out. And anything else you wanted to do? I'm kind of just along for the ride. He more so has some errands to run, so thought it would be fun to do it this weekend and take you guys along with us on our trip, our shopping trip.
Yeah.
Anything else other than that for now?
I don't think so.
Okay.
Oh, I just saw Pep Boys, and that reminded me I need to go to AutoZone.
Oh,
get a couple random things. Some windshield washing fluid, possibly some windshield wipers, and what was the other thing? Oh, like a restoration kit. Because my headlights are pretty dirty. Getting old. I don't know why.
It usually stays. It just when like you're the initial.
That was a big thrust.
Yeah. We have some road coffees from Pop and Bottle, and we're drinking those, and we will be to our first destination soon. We're gonna go to Hobby Lobby first and check that out, and like I said, we're just gonna take you guys along with us on our shopping trips. So let's get to that.
Lucky you guys.
Thomas, but I found Christmas trees. I'm so excited for Christmas. I am holding out and waiting for decorating until we get a little bit closer to December, but we're so close. I can see it and taste it. Picked up our Thai food, and
it came in these interesting bags, our Thai teas.
We have some Thai teas they packed very interestingly. I need a sip right now.
She was saying on the way over here that it was going to bring her back to life. So.
I feel so tired and
run down. Pick me up.
Yeah.
For the way home.
That shopping excursion wore me out.
I know, it's funny how shopping can be. Not a workout, but like, I mean, to get enough bags it can be, but
wait, there's no...
be,
I don't think
what am I
they
trying
gave
to
us
say?
straws.
Exhausting, I guess.
Are you serious?
We have straws at home. Let's take a little sip.
I need a boba.
Baby.
This is crazy. Oh.
You're still recording these fish bites?
Fish bites? I can't take a sip. It's a break. I mean, smell. Wow. So good.
Yeah.
Okay, we are home. I automatically changed back into my cozy clothes. If you know me, you know I live for cozy clothes. I'm going to get our food all situated and we will probably just watch a movie while we eat. And that's probably how we'll finish the night out. I'm honestly like pretty sleepy. It's still kind of early, but we'll probably watch a movie, watch some shows, and just get cozy on the sofa for the rest of the night. It's super chilly and we have delicious Thai food, so I'm excited. Having a fabulous start to your Sunday morning. As you can see, we are starting it in the park in the sun, letting the dogs run around. It is something that we do like 4 or 5 days out of the week, I would say. I actually woke up earlier this morning and went to cycle, and that was great. I really like to wake up a little bit earlier than the house and then everybody else and get that done, get that out of the way. And I went home, picked them up, and we are at the park. Today we have a few more errands to run and just some housework, so just gonna take you guys along with what my Sunday is going to look like. Like I said, we are starting out at the park, and this is something we pretty much do definitely every weekend and like 4 or 5 times a week. So teaching Doni a few new tricks. So one of them is weaving. I eventually want her to learn to like weave through my legs, but this is a good way to work on just that process and just the weaving maneuvering, so she can work on learning eventually how to do that through my legs. So let's do it. Go.
I'm throwing this away.
Okay, we are back. Okay, that's fine.
It's too small.
Okay. We are back from the park. We brought in our stuff we got from shopping yesterday. We left it in the car last night. So we are going through that, drinking some greens, and going to make breakfast and then head out for our errands. So that's the plan. By Sunday things, I just like to use Sunday as like a restart and like a refresh for the week, and just get everything cleaned and the house just in order, and like just everything in order, all of your things in order, your schedule, your space, and yeah. So doing that right now, doing some dishes while my bagel toasts, and then we're going to eat and, like I said, get going on our errands. And then when I come back, I will do more of my Sunday things, and we'll do something fun for dinner.
Damn, that's good.
What?
Sushi. The
Nice.
lettuce roll is really fucking good. Let's get that next time without.
And
just with
if they
just
can do
regular-
it without
with just regular sushi.
frying it.
I'm sure they can.
Yeah, it didn't say fried. Chores and the things that I want to get done around the house today. We kind of switched up the plan. We are not going to go and run all of the errands we were going to do. Thomas has work, so we're just going to kind of hang at home, but not a problem. I have lots of stuff to get done, so that is the switched up plan. Just going to work on the things that we have to get done around the house. most of my chores, pretty much all of them. I have to mop the floors, which I think I'm gonna do a little bit later once there is less foot traffic happening. My allergies are really acting up today. I'm super congested and I kind of have a headache from just going all day. So I wanna go chill, relax, spend a little bit of time to enjoy my Sunday before I have a busy week. I am quickly ordering a few things that we need from Target so I can do a Target pickup. I was thinking about going in, but once again, I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna relax the rest of the day. So doing a pickup order at Target, and then we are just going to relax a bit, and then I will probably catch up with you guys when we are making